I'm Burak Akıncı with Xinhua News Agency. I'm now in the Turkish resort town of Belek. On Thursday, the much-awaited meeting of Russian Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov and his Ukrainian counterpart Dmitry Kuleba ended without an agreement on a ceasefire in Ukraine. The meeting, held on the sidelines of an international forum, in the presence of Turkish Foreign Minister Mevlut Çavuşoğlu, was the first high-level meeting between Moscow and Kiev since Russia launched a special military operation in Ukraine on February 24th. Ukraine's Foreign Minister Koلیبا said he discussed a ceasefire with his Russian counterpart, but no progress was made. Koلیبا said in a press conference following the meeting, the ceasefire was necessary to resolve humanitarian issues in Ukraine. Koلیبا also announced his readiness to meet with Lavrov again in the same format, with Turkey present in the room as a mediator. Lavrov, for his part, said in a separate press conference that the discussions were mostly focused on humanitarian issues. We had come here not to replace the track of negotiations taking place in Belarus. We will not create a parallel track, the minister pointed out. Ukrainian and Russian delegations have held 3 rounds of peace talks in Belarus since last week, but so far the negotiations have ended without a significant breakthrough.